three mainly topic. First one, inhibitor circuit. Second one is exclusive OR gate, or you are or all known to the name UR or XOR gate. Okay, and third one is the complement of the exclusive OR gate, INOR, and with the combination of three we will read comparator and its application. Okay, so let's start. So our first topic is inhibitor circuit. Okay, this is looks like here there is two input, you can say A or B, and you are also looking that here is B complement. Okay, and this is AND gate. So combination of A and B, what we will get? A B bar. Okay, this is inhibitor circuit. If we draw the truth table, or we get this is the these are the inputs and this is the output. Okay, as there is two input, so we get 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 2 4 combination. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what we will get? P is equal to A B bar. A B bar P. A. Okay, let's do multiplication. Okay, rather making another column. 0 1 0. This is the 0 and this will also be 0. So 0. So 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. This will be 0. Okay. So output 0 0 1 0. Okay. So the application of inhibitor circuit we will see later in this class today. Next one is exclusive OR gate. Okay, a very important topic. Let's see what is actually looks like. Okay, this is the logic circuit of exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. If A or B the two inputs, so Y will be, that is A bar B plus A B bar. So our main work is making the truth table. These are the inputs and outputs. Okay, A B A bar B bar. Okay, for simplification I am writing A bar B bar in another column. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Is this visible to you? No, sorry. The flashlight is making some mistakes. I am writing in this part. A bar, B bar, and Y. No, this is not the suitable way which we will get the proper value. A B, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A B bar, and output. Okay, now see 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. After complement, A bar will be 1, this will be also 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. So after multiplication, A bar B, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0, this will be 0, and A B bar 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So 0 1 1 0. Okay, this is the truth table of exclusive OR gate. From here we can conclude many things. First, we can conclude, let's see. When both the inputs are same, it gives nothing. Okay, but when there is a 0 1 or 1 0, there is always a output 1, a high output. So this will be a inequality checker. Okay, the two inputs are different, unequal, so we use this circuit as a inequality checker. Okay, let's see another thing. Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, now add A bar plus A B bar plus A B bar and add B B bar. We can add this because this is 0, this is also 0, so nothing problem will arise. So if we take common A bar from this first two numbers, we get A plus B. Okay, and from this if we take outside B bar, we get A bar B. Okay, so A bar B bar AB, and by applying De Morgan's theorem we can write this way. So this is also the expression of exclusive OR gate. So what is this? If we draw Y is equal to A bar B, A B bar, which is looks like A, you can say this is B, A bar, okay, this is A bar, this is B, this is add a NOT gate, and this will be B bar. So a B bar. Okay, and after this add a OR gate, so we get y is equal to a bar B plus a B bar. Okay, and if we draw this, we get a B. Okay, this is a B bar. Okay, this is a plus B. This is visible. Is this visible to you? Okay, this is visible. This is the logic gates expression, logic gates diagram of this out of this. If we express the OR gate like this. So go for. So there is another thing I must say. Just remember, when in exclusive OR gate, when this type of input is here 0 1, we get 1, and 1 0 we get 1, and other two cases we get 0, low input, low output. Just see, if we fixed B, we fixed the input B at 1. Okay, so the output is complement of A. Okay, this is the inference you can say. Now we will go for NOR gate, exclusive NOT gate. Okay, so but this will be the complement of exclusive OR gate, and this is written in this way. A bar, a B bar. Okay, if we take complement of A bar B and A B bar, what we will get? Just simplify it. By applying De Morgan's law, you can understand. So okay, A bar B plus B into sorry A bar plus AB, B A bar plus BB, B bar B. Okay, so what we will get? AB plus A bar B bar. So this is the Boolean expression of NOR gate. Okay, so if we draw the truth table, just we have to what we have to do, make the complement of exclusive OR gate. So let's suppose Z was the output of exclusive OR gate and Y is the output of INOR gate. We get 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. We get 0 1 1 0. So what will get here? 1 0 0 1. So now see, when the both input are same, we get high output. So it is acting like equality checker. Okay. So now we will go for comparator. Comparator, from this name you can make out this. It compares mainly two inputs. Either if there are two inputs A and B, either A greater than B or A less than B or A is equal to B. Okay. So here we will apply the previous three circuit: inhibitor, mainly inhibitor, and not C, the last one, NOR gate. Why NOR gate and why inhibitor? It will give us either P greater than B or A less than B or A greater than B. And NOT gate, as this is equality checker, it will gives us is equal to B. Okay. So first point is when A greater than B. Okay. P is equal to A bar B. Let's check. A greater than B is B. What do you mean by that? A is 1, B is 0. Okay. So sorry, we get A B bar, because only then we get the one output. Okay. So if A less than B, so we get Q is equal to A bar B, that is A0 B1. Okay. And third one, we use when both either are 0 or both are 1, both input are 1. Okay. So we have to draw the logic gate expression. Okay. So we will use two inhibitor circuit and one NOR gate. Let's make it A B. Okay. So P is equal to A B bar, Q is equal to A bar B, R is equal to A B plus A bar B bar. Okay, so if we draw okay, now this will be R. If we draw P, then this is A and this is B naught, and the OR gate P AB bar AB plus A bar B bar, and if we draw this is P. Okay, this is A bar and this is B, so we get Q. This is the logic circuit of comparator. Okay, this portion is called AOI, and or inverter. Okay, here we see that is 3 gates, 1 to 3, 1 and 2 is AND gate and 3 is OR gate. This combination is called AOI, and or inverter. Okay, so our work is finished totally. A small thing is remaining. This is application of comparator. It is used in computers and device interface. Okay, thank you and goodbye.